Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel One Stop. Today I'm going to talk about the microwave oven from Samsung. Its capacity is 32 liters and the model number is MC32K7056CK. If you want to learn how to cook in a microwave oven, then I will start my cooking channel shortly. The link I will share in the description box, where I will show you how to cook certain recipes using the microwave oven. So please do subscribe to my channel Simple Cooking. But before I start the video, I would like to talk about certain safety measures that we should be taking while operating any kind of microwave oven. So let's get started. So the first thing that you should keep in mind is that your socket should have a ground connection, and the second point is that whenever you are using this socket, at the same time in the same socket you should not run other appliances also, because there might be a power failure. The third point is the placement of the microwave oven. You should not place it inside a closed cabinet or near a gas stove, or you should not surround it with utensils or any other objects, because it has got air vents, and if these air vents are blocked, then whenever the oven gets heat up, it cannot release the hot air and it doesn't cool down, due to which there might be a fire hazard. So these are the few basic points that you should keep in mind, and apart this, there are many other points and things that are given in the user manual. So you should just go through the user manual once. This is very important. Now let's check the oven. So this is the oven from Samsung, and it is simple black in color, and over here is the control panel. So before I go into the details of the control panel, I will show you the inside of the oven, followed by what all I have got along with this. So this is how the door of the oven opens in the downward direction, and this is the inside space. It is width is 14.6, diameter is 14.2, and the height is 9.1. And the inside has a ceramic coating, as you can see, which comes with a 10 years of warranty. And over here at the back you can see the fan with the air vents. It has this white grill for even grilling, and over here is the bulb. Now over here you have to place this roller ring like this, followed by the turntable. Just make sure that this turntable has some grooves over here, which you have to align it over here. Like this, it's set. The turntable is 13.5 inch in diameter, and along with it I have got one crusty plate. I have got two racks, one lower rack and one higher rack. And apart this, I have got a free gift from Borosil. This Samsung has provided. They have provided two bowls. One is of 0.9 liters and the other is of 0.5 liters. So these both are microwave safe bowls. Now I will show you how to operate it. So I will just fill some water in this bowl and I will show you. So I will place this bowl with some water and I will close the door. So now we will look into the control panel. Over here there are various options, starting from combi, microwave, grill, hot blast. These are manual options, and rest all are preset options. So if you want to cook something in the microwave, you have to click on microwave, and the first thing you will see is 900. W means watts. If you want to reduce it, then you have to use this multifunction selector dialer. You have to move it. This is the minus sign and this is the plus sign, so you have to move it towards the minus or anti-clockwise. So 900, 600, 450, 300, 180 and 100. This is the minimum and 900 is the maximum. So suppose I want to choose 100. Now I'll wait for a second. Now you can see there is 0. So this is, you have to set the time. So I want to put it for 2.5 minutes. So I will move the dialer towards the plus or clockwise, and 2, 10, 20, 30, 2.5 minutes, and I will press on start. So the microwave starts rotating. Whenever you are using the microwave, just do remember that you use microwave safe utensils. For your own safety, do not wear any rings or watch or any metal accessories as such. So it's done, and again you will see the normal clock. Now if you want to use grill, so for that you have to press on grill, and you will see there is 0. This is, you have to directly set the time for how long you want to grill your food. For example, suppose I want to grill it for 3 minutes, so I will rotate the dialer clockwise. I will set the time for 3 minutes. Similarly for hot blast, but in hot blast there is another option. Like if you press hot blast, you'll see 180 degrees centigrade, and the highest is 200, lowest is 40. So the first option is that whenever you want to preheat your oven for making cakes or baking anything, for that you just click on the hot blast, you set the degrees, like for example I want to set it for 200 degrees, and you just press start. So you can see it's written heat. That means your microwave oven has started heating, and once it is heated to 200 degrees centigrade inside, it will beep and it will stop. I will just manually stop it from here right now. So once it's heated inside, then you can place your cake inside, and then again you press on hot blast. You can select the degrees again if you want to set it at 200 only, and 200. Just wait for some time, and you will see 0. So this is for time. Now for how long you want to cook. Suppose if you are making cake, so it will take around 15 to 20 minutes. So you just move the dialer again to the clockwise, and you set the time to 20 minutes. That's done. Now I will talk about some preset options. So for that, we'll look into the user manual cum recipe book, in which all the details are given about the whatever you want to cook and how you want to cook, what are the safety precautions and all, everything is there. So for example, if I want to cook this tandoori sabzi, so in that there is written the code is 1 of 10, and the mode is hot blast. So I will go to this option hot blast auto, and I will, as you can see, is written 1. Then you will press the dialer, and then you will select 10, 1 of 10, and you will start. So now what happens, you can see the time is 22 minutes. So this is a preset option for cooking your tandoori sabzi. It has taken on its own the time and whatever temperature is required. There is a preset option for it. Now we'll see another example. Suppose you want to make tomato soup. So it is written here, the code is 2 of 9, and it is under Indian cooking recipe. So we will select this Indian recipe. We will move the dialer to 2, and over here we will put 9. So 2 of 9, and once you place the tomato soup inside, you start it. So it has started for 29 minutes. So these are certain preset options where you do not have to manually select the time and temperature or anything. It just automatically takes in. So this is very easy and it is very simple to use. These are the very basic things. And apart this, there is one more option, that is a combi or combination. Now in combination, what happens, you can use the microwave and grill, or you can use the second combination, that is hot blast and microwave. So there are these two combination options. Now this is very useful for making certain items where the microwave also will run and the grill will also run at the same time. But in combination also, you just have to keep in mind that you have to keep the items which are microwave safe, because if you keep any metal or like the bread tins or cake tins inside, it will not work. There will be a spark. At the bottom of the control panel, there are certain other options like start and stop. So whenever you have given the time and temperature, you just press on start, it will start. But if you have selected, suppose if you have selected microwave and the watt is 900 and you just, without giving the time, you just press on start, it will start for 30 seconds by default. If you want to stop, then you just press on stop so that you can check over the food. And if you press stop once again, it will, whatever you have set the time or temperature, it will get to normal. And if you press the third time, it will get switched off. And if you want to again switch on, press on start. Now there is another option just above start, that is 3-second lock. Now what is this lock? Lock is basically if you have children in your house and you want to lock the control panel, for that you have to press this button for 3 seconds. So it's get locked. You can see L written over here. Now if you want to unlock it, again you press it for 3 seconds. So it's got unlocked. If you want to set the time, like right now it is 12:53. If you want to set the time, then you simply use this dialer. For that you have to press the dialer first and you will get the option of 24 hours or 12 hours. So I am selecting 12 hours. After that I'll press the dialer again. Now you can see the digit 12 is blinking. That means you have to set the hours over here. So at the moment it is 6:30. So I will set it to 6, and once it's done, then on the minutes, so that is 30, and you press the dialer again. So your time is set. So this is all about the control panel. Overall, the microwave is really good and easy to operate. If you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day.